It's your boy Will. I'm back in my video, and today back to fuck with Will. 7 minutes. Let's begin. Whole thing, tell me what you feel me. I don't know where this came from, but shit. Do y'all been watching BMF? I watched some of it. Not all of it. I was halfway of the season 4, I believe. But yeah, I ain't watched all of it. I watched some of it up to episode 5. I gotta finish it off. I know the show probably done by now. I mean, season 4 is done by now for BMF. I'm gonna see what's up with that. For real. Definitely see what's up with that. How y'all feel about Wednesday? I don't know. Season 1 is better than season 2. I'm gonna be honest, man. I'm be honest, I love Christina Ricci though. Like for real. That will forever be one of the reasons why I will watch Wednesday. Because of her, bro. For real. Christina Ricci, for real. One of the legends, for real. Shout out to her. The OG Wednesday. The Wednesday y'all truly know, for real. Back in y'all day, in the 90s. Christina Ricci at the age of 10 years old. 10 or 11, 10 up to 13, I believe. I'll be watching other things, you know, like Sleepy Hollow. With Christina Ricci at the age of 19. But yeah, I love that guy, Christina Ricci, bro. Christina Ricci from Curse with Maya Christina Ricci. Maya, the R&B singer, legend also. But yeah, Maya definitely deserves her flowers for real also. Shout out to her. But yeah, season 1 or Wednesday, definitely better than season 2. In my opinion, I don't know about y'all, but that's my own opinion on the show. I ain't watched the full season of season 2 of Wednesday, but I watched some of it. Not all. So I be too busy watching other stuff. I be watching Hunters on Amazon Prime. So the show called Hunters. It's all about Nazis. You got Al Pacino inside. You know the show. Al Pacino, a legend also. Yeah, that's it. That's what we're checking out. You know,